Hello students, today I will start imperfection in solids. Okay, so both the things we are taking together, whereas we are taking the packing efficiency and other things also. Mathematics one portion also we will take together, and the theoretical portion also we will take together. Okay, so you can write these all things in your copy. This is your homework. Okay, don't think that ma'am is not giving any homework. I'm from the first day I'm telling the homework is that what the things I'm teaching to you, that all things you have to write down in your copy. Okay, so imperfection in solid, what we can say, an ionic crystal which has the same unit cell containing the same lattice point throughout the whole of the crystal. Means is this, the lattice point is same and unit cell is also same. That is known as ideal crystal. That ideal crystal having an absolute temperature that is said to be the 0 Kelvin. Okay, what will happen then at any temperature above 0 Kelvin? When the temperature is going above, the crystals have some departure from complete order arrangement. The real crystals may contain some internal irregularities or imperfection. Next, what we are saying what is a defect. Defect, in other words, we can say defect, it is a or disorder. So what it is, or we can say it is a imperfection. Any deviation from completely ordered arrangement of constitute particles in a crystal is called a disorder or a defect. Means is this, from a good one arrangement is there, proper order arrangement is there. From the proper order arrangement, some irregularities are coming. Okay, some irregularities which we don't know that in this one fully we have made it, and some irregularities is come. For an example, as Arpita ma'am has given you any project. Okay, that project is fully filled completely, you are going to be submit on a next day, but as you came to school, what you have seen, you have not written a one page, which is very important. It means full things are perfect manner, but randomly something is disturbed, something is in disorder. That is said to be the imperfection, and that is said to be the disorder or a defect. Understood? The term disorder or imperfection is generally used to denote departure from perfectly ordered state of the constitute of the crystals. Now, types of defect: point defect, line defect. Two are there. One is point defect, second is a line defect. By the name only you should know. Point with a point, line means line. Okay, so here we can tell you about the point defect. The defect which arise due to irregularities or deviation from ideal arrangement of atom around a point or an atom in a crystalline substance are called point defect or atomic imperfection. Means is this, the defect which is coming from the ideal arrangement. Means your file is fully made and the defect is coming from there, and it is coming in a point or an atom, then what it is said to be the atomic imperfection. The next is the line defect. The defect which arises due to irregularities or deviation from ideal arrangement. Now in here, it is arises from the irregularities, from the ideal arrangement in entire row. Here we are using a point, here we are using a row. Okay, row, full row of lattice point. Which one row? The row we are using is a lattice point row, that is called as a line defect. The irregularities are called crystal defects or crystal imperfection. Understood about the defect? Now, next we can say to you about, so next we are starting about our point defect. Now, point defect is it of two types. One is vacancy defect, second is interstitial defect. So what is the meaning of the vacancy? When some of the lattice sites are vacant, some sites are vacant means empty. The crystal is said to be the vacancy defect. The unoccupied positions are called as vacancies. Means the space is there but no one came to sit. Seats are there, no student is there to sit. It means it is a vacancy, it is a empty. This defect result in decrease in density of the substance. This type of defect may also develop when a substance is heated and therefore it is also called thermodynamic defect. Next is interstitial defect. When some constituent particles occupy vacant interstitial positions, the crystal is said to have interstitial defect. Means is this. Some particles we can say as atoms and the molecules, they occupy the vacant positions. खाली जगह को भर रहे हैं. The crystal is said to be the interstitial defect. Okay. So understood the vacancy and the interstitial. Now in the point defect, this one is a point defect. Point defect is of two types. One is the vacancy and second is the interstitial. You can see here. In this one you can see vacancy one. When some of the lattice sites are vacant, the crystal is said to be the vacancy defect. Some spaces are there, vacancies are there. So it is called as the vacancy defect. In atoms or the molecules occupy means is there, they all are in the rows. Okay. In between some other particles have taken the position. It means they are coming inside. Okay. You can see this is a row complete with a circle. This is a row incomplete. This row incomplete. This row is complete. Here circle are there but between the vacancies are left. So they all are in ordered position and the vacancy is there. So it is said to be the vacancy defect. Here the things are in the ordered form, circles in ordered form, but some red circles are coming in between. So the between one is said to be the particles occupying interstitial position. So it is said to be the interstitial defect. Till here I am completing today. Next topic I will take afterwards. So thank you students and have a nice day.